Session 9 emphasizes using tone, expression, and gesture to captivate listeners. Building on Session 6, it highlights how these elements enhance communication. Mastery involves managing tone, using gestures, and adapting expressions to engage audiences effectively. Educators can model these techniques while learners practice and receive feedback, aiming for varied emotional responses from their audience. Understanding tone involves mastering pitch, tempo, volume, intonation, and stress. Each element shapes how a message is received. A varied pitch maintains interest, while tempo and volume control engagement. Intonation adds authority, and stress highlights key points. Mastering these keeps audiences attentive and engaged. Facial expressions are powerful tools in communication. They should align with the emotions you wish to evoke in your audience. By varying expressions, speakers can maintain interest and engagement. Whether aiming to surprise, excite, or inform, adapting expressions effectively enhances the message's impact. Gestures convey emotion and interest, enhancing engagement. Open gestures and eye contact demonstrate involvement. By adapting gestures, speakers can elicit varied emotional responses from their audience, making communication more dynamic and effective. Teaching techniques involve modeling tone, gesture, and expression. Educators demonstrate these elements, while learners practice and receive feedback. The aim is to elicit specific audience responses, enhancing engagement and communication effectiveness. This practice prepares learners for real-world speaking opportunities, ensuring they can captivate and influence their audience effectively. Reinforcement opportunities abound in classroom settings, where learners can practice using tone, expression, and gesture. Presentations and events serve as practice grounds, aiming to make speaking compelling. These environments encourage learners to refine their skills, ensuring they engage their audience effectively, setting the stage for structured assessments focusing on these key elements. Structured exercises are key for assessing speaking skills. Educators observe learners' use of tone, expression, and gesture during short speeches. Feedback is provided to enhance engagement techniques. This method ensures learners effectively apply these elements, making their communication more compelling and impactful. Mastering tone, expression, and gesture significantly enhances speaking skills. Educators and learners are encouraged to practice and apply these techniques to engage listeners effectively. This concludes the presentation.